Today I'm showing you one of those recipes which is actually unscripted, undocumented. Well, it finds its mention in a publication in 1927. You'd be wondering what recipe this is. This is actually a very quick, simple and easy recipe using 3 ingredients: chocolate, marshmallows and a cracker. The name of the recipe? S'mores, Christmas special. Let's begin. Well, boys and girls literally camping around bonfires and campfires, toasting their own marshmallows and creating this little goodie. Now, there's also a story which says the word some more actually gets cushioned and becomes s'mores. So that's how you get the word s'mores. Now, you can actually use your cherries in this, strawberries in this. You can go all out and wild and use your nuts and fruits. But trust me when I say, keep it simple, just use 3 things. Chocolate, possibly of your choice. I prefer using dark chocolate. Crackers of your choice. I'm using crackers without cheese crackers, and marshmallows of your choice. Now I'm using vanilla, but you can again play with your flavors, colors and essences and things like that. I promise at some point in time I will also show you how to make marshmallows. But for now, let's assemble all of this together and quickly make s'mores. Some more. Let's cut dark chocolate into little pieces. Let's transfer all of this into a glass bowl which is microwave friendly. Now you can melt this in a couple of ways. You can just leave this on a tray in an oven and just allow it to melt. Option 2, you can use a double boiler. Well, I personally find it a little cumbersome. I choose the third method, which I find the easiest, and that is microwaving. Microwave all of this undisturbed 1 minute. You stir it. In case you think there are still a few lumps and chunks here and there, you microwave it for another 30 seconds, and that's about it. Let's do that. Let's stir this and ensure that the grits and lumps are all broken and the chocolate is well melted. Once the chocolate is melted, I'm going to take these sugar cheese crackers and place this on the serving plate. Let's add in a spoonful of a melted chocolate, like so. And finally, on top of this, I'm going to put in some toasted marshmallows. With this, a simple yet stunning looking s'mores done and ready. Make this for family, make this for friends and have a blast. Bye for now.